Your first job is the most difficult to get because you don't, most often you don't have experience and you don't know people that can recommend you to get a position. But it's possible to get a job even though you are a fresh engineer. And to do that, what I recommend to you is add to your curriculum things that are related to the position that you want to. And for instance, if you want to work with R&D, research and development, there is a set of skills that address only to R&D people. And usually they need to have a master, they need to have PhD and something like that, MATLAB and advanced and etc. On the other hand, if you want to work with plan design, there is another set of skills that are needed. For instance, you need to know how to read and develop pipe instrumentation diagram. You need to know how to do process simulation. If you have some kind of knowledge in project management, it's desirable because you have another set of rules, activities to be done that is totally different from the R&D people. But and once we increase the numbers of people that are available in the market, the companies get more and more exigent. So if I have someone that already know everything that I want to, of course that I will prefer if I compare to some people that doesn't know anything. And what is the hard part when we finish the graduation is that we don't know which field we want to work to. And that's normal, and we apply to all kind of job position, but that is not efficient. What I recommend you is, I want to work with plan design, get familiar with subjects that is related to plan design, put that to your curriculum, and in my point of view, do at least one post in the LinkedIn, because who is seen is known, and it increases your chance to get a job. And of course, once you study the subjects related to that, if you go to an interview, it is easier to you to perform a good interview if you are already familiar with the subjects that will be asked for you. And how do you know the subjects or the requisites that are asked in a job position? There are many ways to do that, and one way is to go to the company website and evaluate the positions that is available there, and look for the description. And if you do that with 5 companies in the same field of work like plan design, you will have a better understanding what they want from the employees.